welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be another Foodie Friday, and I'm going to make one of my favorite recipes that originated at California Pizza Kitchen. It is called Thai chicken pizza. It is so good, and if you guys have never tried it, well, I really hope you guys watch and make it yourselves at home. Okay, so the first thing I did is I have our oven preheating to 400 degrees, and I'm going to go ahead and pat out this dough since I like a thicker crust. I'm not gonna roll it out, and this one is from Publix, and it was $2.99. So obviously you can make your dough homemade, but I'm here to do the easier way for you guys for cooking and for myself too. So I just went ahead and bought this. Plus, if you've ever had anything from Publix, you know it's good. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this.
Non più tra I farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girano, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto Adolcino d'amor. Delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto Adolcino d'amor.
For the sauce, I went ahead and preheated a medium-sized pot. You probably could use a small one as well, that would be fine. So I went ahead and preheated this. So I'm going to add 1/4 of a cup of peanut butter, 1/4 of a cup of hoisin sauce, 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, I'm going to do a tablespoon of teriyaki sauce, some ground ginger in there. So you can add as much as you want for taste. And then we're just going to stir it up. Okay, so you just want to boil this on medium for just a few minutes until you start seeing it thicken. This would be a good time to start cooking your chicken. I actually pre-cooked mine, so mine's all ready to go. Alright, so once it looks like it has this kind of consistency, you can take it off the heat. So now our sauce and everything is done. And I'm going to just take like a ladle type spoon and distribute this evenly. So actually in this case, the spatula is working better. So if you let it cool off first, the spoon might work better, but I'm just going to go ahead and use a spatula. So now I'm going to sprinkle a small amount of mozzarella cheese. So you want about 2 cups for this recipe. So I'm just going to take the first little half, evenly distribute it. Okay. So now I'm going to take my chicken that I pre-cooked and just kind of sprinkle it across. Now I'm going to use my cilantro and scallion mixture and just sprinkle this across. So I used about 2 small scallions and about, I don't know, 6 cilantro leaves, if that's what they're called. I don't know. Then I have, I don't know, I guess like a 1/2 cup of carrots. Sprinkle these across. So obviously the amounts of things that you use and or additional toppings are completely up to you. Again, you guys know I always tell you make it your own. but this is what I use on it. And you guys can also make it a little bit, like you can make the sauce spicy. Okay, and then I'm gonna take some bean sprouts, sprinkle them across. Okay. All right, now I'm going to use the rest of this cheese, put it on top. With my oven, I have to put it in there for about 15 minutes, but I'm gonna start with 10. I'm gonna see how it does, and then I'll come back and try. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. It smells amazing. I can't even tell you. You just have to make it. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. I hope you guys really make this. It is so good. If you ever had it at California Pizza Kitchen, it literally tastes exactly the same, but I think it tastes a little better because you put your own heart and soul into it. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!